Alright, so now we're going to work on the voice of a verb. No, verbs don't actually talk, but they do have a voice. And we want to talk about the two different types of voices that they have. They have active and passive. In the active voice, a verb is the active voice if the subject is doing the action in the sentence. In this example, the baseball hit the batter. What happened? The subject, baseball, is doing the hitting. The baseball hit the batter. That's the action. In the passive voice, a verb is in the passive voice if the subject is receiving the action. The passive voice frequently uses the words was, were, or by. So those are your indicators to watch out for a passive voice. In this sentence we have, the batter was hit by the ball. The subject batter is being hit by the ball, therefore it is receiving the action. So I want you to look at these examples. Are these sentences active or passive? Papers littered the streets. Active or passive? What do you think? And the streets were littered by papers. Okay, so in this case, the action is being done by papers. Papers littered the streets, so that's going to be an active voice. In this sentence, the streets were littered by, I have were and by, so then I know that this is a passive voice. All right, please make sure that you create your own example for an active voice and your own example for a passive voice, because the only way you're going to learn it is if you practice. And that's it. This was a quick one. Yes!